Okay, so this one is for the North Pole of a loop. Okay, so basically the rule is this. Okay, for this one it's kind of like the opposite of the last rule, right? Okay, what you do is you wrap your fingers as the current, right? As the current, right? And your thumb is equal to the North Pole. Okay? So take a look at this guy here. If I wrap my fingers, if I put my fingers so that they're going clockwise, and this is of the right hand, or anti-clockwise, right? This is your right hand. Okay? Make sure you're using your right hand. Your left hand will give you the opposite, right? So if I wrap my fingers on this guy here, okay? If I wrap them anti-clockwise, then my thumb is pointing out of this page, right? So here's my thumb. I wrap my fingers anti-clockwise. My thumb is coming out of the page, right? Obviously, if I wrap my fingers clockwise, right, then my thumb is into the page, right? If my fingers do that, right? Here's this thing here, right? If I make if we've got a little solenoid here, let's suppose this is a coil with many strands of wire, right? Let's pretend there's many strands of wire and that the current is flowing to the right on the front of the coil, okay? Then my thumb would be up the page, right? So this, I make my fingers do this. My thumb is up, right? That's why it's up. And then let's see, if this is the North Pole, then the current would have to flow up the front of this, right? So my fingers, if I put my thumb this way, right, so that it's to the left, my fingers are going up the front of this.